Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll talk about Wix and why Wix is worth discussing today, guys. Okay? So dahil first, no, so growing popularity, syempre yung liquidity niyan, liquidity performance of Wix, and then yung mga recent usage ng ating Wix, guys. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo dito, so analyzing Wix exchange market liquidity and transparency. Wix is a centralized crypto exchange established in 2018. So headquartered in Singapore, the platform offers a comprehensive suite or trading services including spot trading, future contracts, copy trading, and staking, guys. So Wix has a position itself as an emerging player in the global crypto market. So the exchange supports over 1,000 trading pairs, which position it as a venue for both professional traders and individual investor, guys. No, so yon ang ating Wix. So napakalupit naman talaga. So anyway guys, ito yung website ng Wix. Okay, so pwede itong magamit sa App Store or Play Store, no? So ito yung pinaka website, guys. So meron tong 6 million plus user global reach yun. So over 5 million or 5 billion daily trading volume lang naman itong ating Wix, guys. And then non-mandatory pa yung KYC niya. Okay, so yun yung malupit dito sa ating Wix, guys. So makikita rin natin dito sa article, guys, yung liquidity snapshot Wix future market. Nakita nyo naman, guys, from May 22, 2025. Ayan yun. So BTC USDT to ETH USDT, no? Ayan ay CryptoRank.io. So dito yan sa Wix, BTC USDT remains the most liquid future pair with a plus 2% depth of 4.49 million and 2% depth of 3.98 million and a zero spread, which is ideal for large and frequent execution, guys. Okay? And then guys, in terms of future trading, so Wix enhanced futures enjoy more professional and flexible trading with mitigated liquidation risk, guys. So ano bang ibig sabihin no? So up to 400 times future leverage lang naman and 1,000 BTC prediction fund ang nakalain dito sa ating Wix, guys. So guys, why Wix futures? So flexible trading, diverse asset, secure and efficient, and also it has a multiple trading pairs like 17,000 plus trading pairs, guys. 1,000 plus future contracts, top tier future spread, and then ultra low spreads on a most pair of 0.00% up to 0.01%, and then it has also a tick order book depth. For example, guys, so BTC to USDT with a multi-million USD depth. No? So napakalupit nun, guys. And then syempre ang Wix ay meron ding high slippage resistance even during market volatility, guys. So guys, kung naghanap kayo ng isang platform na has it all, no, ito yung Wix, guys. So meron tayo diyang market, future USDT, future demo trading, about future funding rate, position, yan, spot copy trading also available here at Wix, guys. You can also makakapili kayo ng mas magandang copy trade dito sa ating Wix. WeLaunch, ayan, ito yung WeLaunch. Kung hindi nyo pa to alam, guys, hold WX to earn free airdrops weekly. So weekly, guys, so keep in mind weekly. It will reset every week. No, so just hold WX to enjoy new token airdrops every week. And then on reward hubs, no, so you can invite your friend. ZRC giveaway up to 30,000 USDT. Kudis giveaway, $28 welcome rewards, 30,000 USD bonus, daily spin, daily check-in, and week VIP gift, guys. Okay? So all in all, it is a one-stop shop for me, guys. That is Wix. And then if you learn more about this platform, so click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, or click the link below to pop up and use my referral link on this Wix platform. Again, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.